Hello, and welcome back to Hobbi 101. I'm Hobbi, and today I am beyond excited to share my very own ribbon-style tangle pattern with you. It's called Kalinga, and it's a design inspired by tradition, history, and culture. Let's explore its story and learn how to create it together. Shall we begin? Kalinga is a tangle I designed as a tribute to traditional Filipino tattoo artistry. Its name honors a province in northern Philippines known for its incredible tattoo traditions and heritage. The design reflects the intricate, linear patterns that have been hand-tapped into the skin for centuries. Filipino tattoos, known as batak or tatak, were more than just body art. They were a big deal in ancient culture. These tattoos, often stretching from head to toe, marked important life milestones like adulthood or becoming a warrior. They were badges of bravery earned through courageous acts and a show of social status. The more detailed the tattoo, the higher the rank. People also believed tattoos had spiritual powers, protecting them from harm and bringing good vibes. The designs told stories, showing off tribal roots with patterns inspired by nature. They weren't just about meaning either. Tattoos made a statement of beauty and self-expression for both men and women. Although times have changed, some Filipino communities keep this amazing tradition alive, celebrating it as a vibrant part of their culture and identity. At 107 years old, Whang-Od holds the title of the world's oldest tattoo artist. For more than 9 decades, she has been hand-tapping tattoos, drawing inspiration from agriculture and the natural beauty of the local landscape. When creating Kalinga, I was inspired by the aesthetics of Filipino tattoo designs, which share similarities with Polynesian tattoos in both their meaning and technique. For instance, both traditions use a thorn affixed to a stick and tapped with a hammer to apply ink to the skin. The precision and dedication of these artists are nothing short of remarkable. And here's a linguistic fun fact. The Filipino word for tattoo, tatak, closely resembles the Samoan word tatau. These connections speak to the shared heritage of the Pacific Island and Asian communities, blending art, language, and culture in fascinating ways. Let's bring Kalinga to life. The steps for this tangle are straightforward, though achieving uniform, precise lines can be a rewarding challenge. It's a wonderful exercise for focus and mindfulness. Let's do the step out in my little tangle journal. So the first step is to draw a horizontal line across, and then a parallel horizontal line below it. And then the second step, after doing your parallel line, is to draw vertical lines about halfway to 2/3 of the way down. And then the third step is to add vertical lines again, but this time you're going to add it attached to the bottom line. And here's a tip. When drawing lines, try to draw top to bottom, because it just strengthens the line, makes it more confident. And the fourth step is to join the tips of each of those lines. So here, tip to top, bottom, top, bottom. Just join them in a zigzag line. And that's the Kalinga pattern. Now you can do variations. And this is a really versatile pattern because you can have solid fills, you can fill up shapes, like a circular semicircle within each of those keys, as I call them. You can do polka dots, can do printemps, the Zentangle pattern that look like swirls. That gives it a totally different look. Of course, there's always stripes. You can add auras to them. Auras meaning outlines, outlining the shape of each of the keys. There's a lot you can do with this tangle. And it's like a ribbon tangle, so it works as a border, or it can work as curved lines going through your piece. What I love most about Kalinga is its versatility. Whether you keep it minimal or embellish it with additional lines and color, this pattern adapts beautifully to different compositions. Let your creativity shine as you interpret it in your own way. If you try the Kalinga tangle, I'd love to see your creations. Share your work with me with the hashtag Hobbi101Tangle or follow me on our other social platforms. That brings us to the end of today's session. I hope you've enjoyed learning about Kalinga as much as I've enjoyed creating and sharing it. Stay tuned for my next video where I transform a blank tile into an original art piece using my Kalinga pattern. You won't want to miss this creative journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with all our creative projects. Until next time, stay inspired, stay creative, and keep tangling. Goodbye for now.